This is the ultimate chicken farm, and it's completely AFK. So first of all, what you need to do is mine out a 4x3 space. You also will need 9 iron hoppers, fence, and 3 chests. So you plant 3 chests down. Then you shift click the hoppers down so that everything will funnel into those hoppers, and they'll continue to funnel onto the chests. And then you surround it with all that beautiful fence you made. You also need to do the gate, so don't forget that. So just testing it, you throw a fence gate in, and there, funneled into the large chest. Great. Now you spawn a ton of chickens and see a ton of eggs appear into the chest. Completely AFK. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.